Hello everyone, welcome to part 98 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we'll continue working on the Laravel coupons code module, and in this part we are going to work on add, edit and delete coupon in admin panel. So let's start. In the last part we have seen that we are able to show all the coupons in the admin panel, and now we are going to work on the add, edit coupon functionality and also delete functionality. Okay, so we're going to follow the instructions that you can find under video. And first thing is that we are going to add this coupon module at the left sidebar that we have not added so far. So I'm going to copy this and we'll add at the left sidebar. So I'm going to open that sidebar, admin layout sidebar. Okay, so we are going to add it after catalog management. We can add this as well. Okay, these are the banners, these are the products. Okay, so I will, yeah, so let's check. Yes, it seems to be fine here. Coupons, so here we are going to open the coupons. So and now after this we are going to create the common route for add and editing the coupon, and that we will use as get as well as the post. So we are going to add this route here in admin group. After that we are going to create this add edit coupon function that will able to for adding and editing the coupon. Okay, so this function we are going to add in admin controller with all the options that I have explained in last part. Okay, sorry, we are going to add this one in coupon controller. I have opened the wrong controller here. Okay, we are going to open the coupon controller and we'll add this function here. So it is for adding and editing the coupon. Okay, and all the validations we have added. And see, in case if the coupon is going to, we are going to add the coupon, in that case id is empty. So in case id is empty, then we are going to pick this validation, otherwise we are going to pick this validation. Okay, these rules. So so we are going to add here like the categories that we are going to select from the form, and the brands, users, coupon option, like that if the coupon is automatic, then in that case we are going to generate that coupon. And for str random is the function that will generate the alphanumeric number that we are going to add for the coupon. But for str we are going to add one package, and that package is I'm going to show you that there is one package that we are going to add, Laravel helpers package. After Laravel 6 onwards we are required to require this package. str is located inside this package. Okay, so that we are going to install. Okay, so I'm going to run this command composer require Laravel helpers, so that this str package will get located. Okay, so now let's come back to added coupon. And here see, otherwise if the user is going to type the coupon code, then we are going to pick it like this. Okay, so after that we are going to save and in our coupons collection. So this is the role of the function that is will do. And now we are going to create the add edit coupon blade file. After adding this function, we are going to create this blade file inside the coupons folder, where we have also created that coupons.blade.php file. Okay, so here new file we are going to add here, and that will call it add edit coupon.blade.php file. And its content, I'm going to copy its content. So I'm going to copy and will paste, in which we have added all the fields that are required. Okay, so also we are going to add this script in custom.js file, so that we can show that field if in case the user selected the manual. So we can add anywhere. So I'm going to add at the top. Okay, okay, so let's add. So we are going to add this model as well in coupon controller at the top, and this one we have already done. And now so I'm going to check it once. Let's refresh and try to add the coupon now. See, form is opening now. Okay, so this is the form for the coupon. Like if the coupon option is automatic, then it will automatically generate the coupon. Otherwise, if you click on manual, then the field will open. Coupon code, here the user can add any coupon that he want to generate. So the coupon is for the single or multiple time. If the coupon is for single time, then we will just select it, and the coupon type is percentage or fixed. If it is percentage, then we select this one. If it is fixed, then we will select this one. So like if we want to generate the 10% coupon, I'm going to add like 10 here, and it will be 10%. Okay, so here I'm going to select all the categories, like it is for all the categories, all the brands and all the users, and I'm going to set the expiry date like 31st August. Okay, so I'm going to submit now. We'll add now, and the coupon has already been taken. Okay, so this coupon is already, we have added the test 10 coupon is already there. So this time I'm going to add the automatic coupon, fixed coupon of 100 amount. Okay, and once again I'm going to select all these, and we'll set its date as 31st, and we'll submit. Now it generates the new coupon. You can see that is alphanumeric coupon that it system website automatically generates. Okay, of 100 INR. This is the fixed coupon. So like this we can able to generate the coupon, and we can also able to edit the coupon. The coupon code will not updatable. Okay, but other things you can able to update. Okay, like if you want to update to 200 amount, and you can want to update the expiry date. Okay, and you want to update something like some brands, like the coupon is for selected like for women's only. So like this you can able to update the coupon conditions as well. Okay, so now we are going to work on the delete coupon functionality, and for that we will add this route for deleting the coupon in web.php file. Here we are going to add this one, and for delete coupon we are going to add this function to delete the coupon from the MongoDB, and this function I'm going to add at the last. Okay, so now it has been done. Now I'm going to check here. I'm going to refresh here once. Like if I want to delete this one, yes, it is working. Sweet alert is working. That is common function for all the modules. So if I'll cancel, then it will not do anything, and if I'm going to click on yes delete it, then it's going to delete this coupon. Yes, it's working fine, and with this success message, coupon deleted successfully. So this one we able to do. So finally our coupon module is ready at the admin panel. In the next part we are going to work on front. We are going to apply this coupon in card page. Okay, so stay tuned for the next part. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.